India is moving faster than ever, and the future of mobility is no longer a vision, it is a reality. At Reliable Charge, we are proud to be one of Delhi NCR's fastest and most reliable EV charging networks, built for speed, stability, and scale. We are creating a powerful EV charging ecosystem and infrastructure designed not just for today but engineered for tomorrow. From city hubs to national highways, our fast and reliable EV charging network is already live at strategic locations. We have built a charging network that seamlessly covers key movement corridors of the capital. From Pragati Maidan Bhairo Marg to Airport Road, our chargers power Delhi's most active transit zones. Our fast charging infrastructure is designed to keep movement uninterrupted across commercial hubs, travel corridors, and high density zones where power is needed the most. Our network doesn't stop at city limits. From Hotel Highway King Bilaspur to Hotel Highway King Shahapura, we enable smooth, uninterrupted highway journeys. From Shiva Dhaba Hapur to Shiva Dhaba Garmukteshwar, we power long distance electric travel with confidence. And at the core of our operations stands our high capacity charging hub at Noida Sector 135, the backbone of our fast growing infrastructure. Because charging should never slow you down, it should move with you. We don't just install chargers, we build trust, we deliver reliability, and we power progress. This is not just infrastructure, this is a movement towards cleaner energy, smarter mobility, and a stronger India. Behind this growing network stands a passionate team, visionaries, innovators, and problem solvers, driven by one purpose: to power India's electric future. We are not just charging vehicles, we are charging the future. Reliable charge, reliable है, bindass charge करो.